So you want to reward customers the moment they add enough items to their cart? Like buy 3 products, automatically get a free gift? Or let customers pick their favorite gift from a list, or even other use cases. That's exactly what I'll guide you in this video. Let's get started. Since setting up this offer with Shopify's discount means customers have to manually find and add both the required products and the free gift themselves. No auto ad, no gift pop-up. I still recommend going with a third-party app. The one I'd point you to is BOGOS, Free Gift and Bundle Upsell. Honestly, it's one of the most trusted options out there for this exact use case. Simple setups, essential to advanced features, all covered. Once BOGOS is installed, open the app and go to All Offers. Click Create Offer. Select Gift Offers and choose Start from Scratch. Now we fill in a few basics. Offer name, just for you to easily differentiate from other offers in the BOGOS app. Offer title. This one shows up to customers in your store. Schedule. It's optional, but if you're running seasonal campaigns, schedule it to go live and end automatically. Very handy. Under Offer Main Condition, click Add Main Condition and select Cart Quantity. Set the minimum number of items needed to unlock the gift. Then, choose which products qualify for the gift. If you want to apply the offer store-wide, let it apply to any products. This means customers who buy any 3 products across the store will qualify for the gift. But if you want to narrow down, you can exclude specific products, collections, or apply specifically to them. Below that is the sub-condition section, where you add extra targeting rules to your main conditions. Things like customer order history, so you can run a gift for first-time buyer offer. Or markets, so the offer only shows to specific regions. But I'll keep it simple today. Now, let's set up our free gift. I'll keep the discount at 100%. That's what makes it free. Under Customer Will Receive, we've got 2 directions to go. Number of gifts the customer will receive means customers can browse a list and pick the gift they want. Great if you have multiple gift options and want to give customers a personal experience. Automatically add all gifts means the gift will automatically be added to the cart when they buy any 3 products. This is my go-to because it feels like a surprise reward. Then select the product you're gifting. Once everything's set, go ahead and publish. Now, your gift offer is alive. To encourage bigger purchases, you can stack multiple tiers, like buy 3 products, get 1 gift, and buy 4 products, get 2 gifts, or buy 3, get a face mask, buy 4, get a shirt. BOGOS handles this with its gift priority feature, and the setup rule is simple. The higher the tier, the lower the priority number. To set it up, just duplicate the offer we just created. Adjust the offer details. Set min cart quantity to 4. Then update the gift. You can increase the quantity to 2, or swap it out for a different product entirely. Open Advanced Configuration. Find the priority field. Since this is our highest tier, set it to 1. Enable the Stop Lower Priority option. Click Save. Then go back to this Buy 3 offer, which is our lower tier offer, set its priority to 2. Just that. You've done. Alright, it's time to see what we set up. The first thing I notice when I land on the store is a Today Offer widget, which I've set up previously. Right away, I know the store is offering buy any 3 products, get a free gift. Already interested? When I add 2 products to the cart, a progress bar immediately shows I'm just 1 item away from the free mask. That's quite motivating. Add 1 more and the gift is automatically in the cart. Smooth and not very pushy. That's exactly the experience we're going for. That's it. You now know how to add a free gift based on cart quantity using the BOGOS Free Gift Bundle Upsell app. Link to try its free plan in the description. Or leave a comment and subscribe, and I'll be sure to reply.